These sites got 50 amp, 30 amp, 20 amp. They all come with a picnic table and fire ring. And every one of these sites are pull-throughs that you can get in. I'd say you could get anything from a Class A down to a little pop-up camper in these. This campground also got across the road over here. Yes, it has horseshoe pits, so you can play horseshoes. So let's show this campground some love and pass my videos along, and hopefully more people can come to this little campground.